James Hockey, Director of Business Development with Encodima 3D. 1998, I got a call to go to a customer service job, walked through the plant and found out that there was this thing with lasers and a vat full of liquid photopolymer creating parts, and I was absolutely hooked. I had to take that job and I had to learn more about 3D printed parts. The big analogy we hear with metal additive is another tool in the toolbox. It is actually really now part of the conventional manufacturing process. Additive manufacturing is dependable, repeatable, and ready for production. Here in Freeville, New York, we have a manufacturing facility carrying additive and conventional technologies to deliver components to the aerospace and defense groups. Today, we have a clear manufacturing focus. We are doing serial production. Using this technology, we're matching up programs to machines to deliver end-use parts. Some of our equipment includes EOS M404 machines, the brand new EOS M304 machines, which is 4 lasers, full field. We also have Haas equipment, Mitsubishi EDM, brand new Mazak i700 machine with a Palatech system to deliver serial production produced parts. We'll also be adding a second Mazak system to go along with the robotic Palatech system to deliver parts from one machine to another machine for different setups. Metal additive manufacturing isn't changing manufacturing, it's changing the way engineers think. They are able to now design with a different process in mind and thus creating better, more functional, higher producing parts. I've been going to IMTS for a number of years. Always focus more on the additive side. As we've grown as a contract manufacturer and the blending of the ecosystem between additive and conventional methodology, we have grown in IMTS. So we are now viewing more of the areas in IMTS that we normally would never have done before. Adding different technologies, making our manufacturing process even better as we go forward. Our goal for IMTS 2022 was to find our next big CNC machine, and we were there to choose between 3 different vendors. We did have the conversations. We actually got $1 million piece of equipment and a solution for our program at IMTS. IMTS is a complete manufacturing show. Automation is on full display, and it helped us go in, talk to someone, see it in action, and get something that can work for us within our facility. So I've been going since the early 2000s to IMTS, and what I've seen is the evolution of software and the addition of robotics to the manufacturing process, both in additive and in CNC, that have really driven us to be able to elevate our internal manufacturing process. For IMTS this year, what we're looking forward to is the expansion of the additive group and the expansion of additive processes to the conventional methods that are currently out there. My name is James Hockey, and I am a matchmaker.